Hello viewers, welcome to Saleh Academy. This video is on how to do addition of values in Excel using sum function. So let's have a look into. I'm writing down some values here. For example, I'm writing 850 here, 650 here. Now, in order to get the addition of these two values, I will write down the sum function here. Now note down one thing, that all the functions in Excel start with equal to sign. So I'm pressing equal to button here and I will write sum and then I will press tab button. I will select the first cell, write comma and then select the second cell and then press enter. So you can see that the result of this two cell is displayed here. Similarly, if there is large number of cells whose addition is to be done, then instead of selecting individual cell as we have done here, we can simply drag down the whole list or whole range. Let's have a look into. I'm writing 650 here, 750 here, 850 here, 965 here, 665 here, 125 here. Okay, now to do the addition of these cells, I will write down the sum function and select the first cell and I will drag till the last cell and then I will press enter. You can see that the addition of the cells have been done in this cell. Okay, so in this way we can do the addition in Excel. Thank you.